What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's getting pretty busy up at the shop today, and I have to do this video clip while I'm pulling the truck in. So I'm not really gonna have a whole bunch of time to talk about it, but we have a 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. It's getting a 4-inch BDS kit. It's getting some 295, 55, 22 Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is a metric 35. It's just not quite as wide. It makes it fit a lot better on this kit. Good thing about the 4-inch BDS is it doesn't widen the track width, so we're not gonna have a whole bunch of rub. We're going to be using the stock wheel that comes on the truck, and we're putting a mud flap delete kit on the truck as well. So this is a black truck. I love black trucks. I think this is gonna be an awesome video, and I appreciate it. So stay tuned. I'm about to get out of the truck as soon as we get it up to the door, and I'll show you what it looks like. Thank you. So here's our beautiful truck. You know, it's gonna be really loud in this clip, and I'm so sorry if you guys hear all that money being made in the background, all that work being done back there. But anyway, the truck is amazing. You can tell that this is a 24 model because the Vader chrome piece here, on the 25s it was black, on the 1500s. On the 2500 it was the whole piece around the bottom, but on the 1500 that's the dead giveaway for you. I think I like the way that the Vader chrome looks on this piece. I wish it was more sturdy and they wouldn't have had to change it to that color because of that flaking issue, but it is what it is. This truck is brand new. It doesn't feel like it's got any miles on it. I didn't even look and see how many miles it has on it because it feels so nice and new inside. 8,000 miles on it, so brand new truck. The interior of this truck looks awesome. Seats are nice and soft. Has the nice Denali Ultimate badges for you. This is really a cool one. I tell you guys all the time, I'm into black interiors. It's not for any reason. I like this better. I usually have dirt on my clothes. I'll be honest. I spend a lot of time at the shop up here, and I try to stay clean, but it never works. This truck does have the Duramax in it. Like I said, we're doing that 4-inch BDS kit. It does work with the magnetic ride control, the arc shocks, whatever you want to call it. It does work with the Super Cruise. It works with every little feature that you get with a Denali Ultimate. So I wouldn't sweat about what people say and what people on the internet are talking about on the forums, because watch enough of my videos. We do these trucks in and out every day, and I've never had a phone call. Hey man, my electric shocks are having an issue. They never call me with it. It just works every time. So BDS has spent the time to engineer this kit and put a lifetime warranty behind it. All the dealerships love BDS. Everybody likes to deal with their parts. So this is the best kit for the Denali Ultimate to me, 1500. We're doing, like I said, the 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. It's going to be the 295, 55, 22. It's a metric size. It just fits a little bit better on this stock wheel. I really like the way the stock wheel looks on this one. They kind of did a good job. They knocked it out of the park. GM is on top of the factory wheel game. That's why you see so many replicas out there. This is the ride height sensor that freaks everybody out. You can't really work with it. Can't do anything with it. It's not really that big of a deal once you do enough of them and you understand the ins and outs of the system. That's what tells the truck how tall it is or how much load is on it or whatever. So we'll reuse that later. I'll show you. Stay tuned for the video. We're about to get started on it now. Thanks for watching the channel. Well, they were in a big hurry to get this truck done this morning, and they were kind of rushing me, which is no big deal, but they were worried that they weren't going to get this truck done by 6 o'clock, and here it is. What's 14:40? Is that 2:40 in the afternoon? This truck is done, on the ground, ready to go back to, I don't know if I know where this one came from exactly, but it's ready to go. Very excited about the way it turned out. The truck looks amazing. I love black. You can't really go wrong with black paint on a vehicle. It is more maintenance. It does look dirtier if you get it dirty and don't wash it, but let's be honest. If you're a truck enthusiast the way I am, wait, I say that, but my Tahoe is really dirty. Anyways, if you're a truck enthusiast and you have one of these new nice trucks, I'm assuming you'll keep it pretty clean. So enjoy the black. You only live once. You might as well. So I'm about to flip the camera around and show you guys what we ended up with on this truck. Keep in mind we did the 295 55 22 Nitto Ridge Grapplers, which is a metric 35 that fits really good on these trucks with the stock wheels. And we did a 4-inch BDS kit with the magnetic ride control adapters. So, all right, so this is our truck, 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. I think this one is amazing. I think it's spectacular. I think it turned out exactly the way that we wanted it to. I know that the customer is going to be happy because I know that he's seen a video of a truck similar to this, and the stance looks exactly the same on that truck as it does this. The only difference is that truck he saw was silver. This truck is black. They both look great. The silver's an awesome color. The black's an awesome color. It's like having the same pair of shoes in two different colors. They both work. I love this black color though. It looks awesome. It really does. The wheels go perfectly with it. The wheels go perfectly with the silver too. It's how they've done this wheel. GM, like I said, they are leading the game in OEM wheels. They really are. They have some of the best designs that we've seen. There's our BDS upper control arm. There's our strut spacer. So this is where the magnetic ride control or arc suspension gets its ride height signal from. BDS has engineered this kit to use the same rod. It's just in a different location so that the truck doesn't really know that it's lifted. So that's kind of how this one works. BDS upper control arm is amazing. There's your strut spacer once again. If we get under the truck and look, you see the BDS cross member here. BDS has a nice silver badge that goes on the front of this kit and a differential like protection plate down there. That's really nice, skid plate, whatever you want to call it. They make a really, really good, strong, sturdy lift. It has the best angles of any kit for this truck. And it also has that slimline spindle right there. That means it does not raise the track width of this truck to lift it. So we have the same stance front to rear whenever we're done. The tire we went with for about the third time during this video, I'm sorry, but is a 295 55 22. If you look on the side of this tire, it says 35 11 50 22. Well, 35 11 50 being a 22-inch wheel. The good thing about 35 11 50 is you get all the height. The tire still looks like a 35 and it makes the truck sit the same height. You lose about a half an inch right here. Now I believe that we've done a 35 12 50 in the past. I think we've done a 37 12 50 in the past, but it's close. It's super close. And whenever you trim one of these trucks on 35 12 50s, it's not always the easiest thing in the world to put mud flap deletes on it. And I don't think you really can, to be honest with you. I think we just end up taking this piece off with 35 12 50s. I may be wrong on that though. But we trim a little bit on the inner side of the front bumper here. That's it. There's nothing on the outer part of the front bumper, which is awesome. And then you have the mud flap delete kit that is, you know, a fraction of the size that it started at, but it's still on the outside of the truck. So aesthetically, you can't really see that it's cut. That's the idea. Anyways, I'm about to put a price for this job with this lift kit and this set of tires in the next clip following this video clip. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're in McDonough, Georgia, and I appreciate you guys watching.